guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Nigeria. So today I just got back from church and I remember that I promised you guys I was going to bring out a series of videos. So today we'll be having a video on my top favorite 10 eyeshadow palettes for women of color. For me anyway, these are the 10 eyeshadow palettes that I really love a lot and I reach for every single time I want to do an eye makeup. So if you would like to see which palettes I'm talking about, please kindly subscribe and then let's go over to the video. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Alright guys, let's go over. The very first eyeshadow palette I have, it's pretty dirty, but it's the MORPHE JACLYN palette. I purchased this palette immediately it launched and I have been, oh gosh, this palette is so dirty, but that's how you know that it's very well loved. And this is how the palette looks. It's more like a neutral palette with some pops of color this way. Palette really called out to me because there are times that you want to travel, especially I've been traveling with this palette a lot, and then you want to take your normal eyeshadows you will definitely be using that you normally reach for, but you also want something just comes to your mind like, okay, what if you need to use like purple or green, and then so this palette is really nice. It's highly pigmented as well. So I'm going to swatch a couple of colors. Sorry, I don't have I think they're still writing the names underneath them now, but when I got this it didn't come with anything, so I don't have the names on them. So I'm going to swatch three colors, very pigmented, and they swatch very well. So those are the three colors I'm swatching. I think I should also swatch one of the colorful ones. Let me go with the blue, and this is the blue right here. Swatches really well, and it's very beautiful. The palette is a very good one. It's very pigmented and it has 35 colors. It has all the colors I think anyone would need. I really reach for these colors. I normally like to set my brow bone, so I normally reach for some colors at the top. These are colors I would normally not use on a good day, or if maybe I have to use a lid color, a matte lid color, then I could reach for those colors. But every other color from here down I use a lot. So that's the MORPHE JACLYN palette, one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. The other eyeshadow palettes I have three eyeshadow palettes here. They're all from JUVIA'S place. I purchased this palette 2 years ago, I should think. I'm not really so certain. And I first got this here in Nigeria, and then I purchased this too. This eyeshadow palette, the JUVIA'S place NUBIAN eyeshadow palette, is my favorite eyeshadow palette of all time. This is just me. Like if I was going to have an eyeshadow, this is just it. It's a neutral eyeshadow palette. Just has those colors that Ivy approved colors. Unfortunately, I can't show you this palette because it is dead inside, but I'll have a picture on screen and then you can see the colors. Very beautiful colors, neutral colors, like I said. Transition colors, crease color. It has your gold, it has your rose gold, it has your neutral, just all neutral toned colors. I'm going to swatch to, it doesn't come with names as well, but Juvia's Place has like the most pigmented eyeshadow palettes I've ever used in my life, like in my life. I have two here now. I'm going to swatch this two and just look, without an eyeshadow primer, without anything, just normal swatch. Imagine how it applies on the lid. They are really, really beautiful, very, very beautiful eyeshadows. And I love this Nubian eyeshadow palette a lot. It's like my favorite, my number one. I really, really love it. The third eyeshadow palette I have here is Juvia's Place Nubian 2 eyeshadow palettes. This palette is, oh sorry, this palette is very, 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 very pigmented. You know, it's a mixture. It's a neutral palette, but it has two pops of color. Like it has the blue Cleopatra and it has the green Egypt. This green right here, oh gosh, this blue is so dark, like it's a very, very dark blue. And then you have your Nairobi. This gold is really, really, really nice. And then you have, actually have this palette on my eyes today. I have Zuri and Nefertiti on my lids. I have Kenya in my crease. This palette is really, really pigmented. It applies very well on the lids and it's highly pigmented too. So this is the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette. That's the third eyeshadow palette that we're talking about today. The fourth eyeshadow palette, again from Juvia's Place, is the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. Initially I saw this eyeshadow palette. It has, this is the mini, it has the normal one which is quite big. It has a larger pants in it. I saw this online and I didn't really know if I was going to like the colors on it, in it, you know, so I decided to get the mini and then I fell in love. Like this teal color right here, Zola. Oh, the purple the purple Makeda. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. I've not really used like Zobo and Bori as such, but every other shadow in this palette I have used this palette a lot. And like all the other Juvia's Place palettes, this palette is really, really pigmented. Like it picks up a lot, very, very pigmented. I love the color scheme. I love, you know, the colors in this palette. And Juvia's Place, I still have about 2 other palettes I think I will be getting later from Juvia's Place, but these ones I have so far so good. They're really beautiful. If I don't travel with my MORPHE JACLYN Hill palette, I normally travel with either this Masquerade palette and the Nubian eyeshadow palette, or the Nubian 1 and 2 eyeshadow palettes. You know, that's what I normally travel with, but this eyeshadow palette is really, really, really nice as well. So that's the fourth eyeshadow palette. The fifth eyeshadow palette we'll be talking about today is the Makeup Addiction Flaming Love palette. I love that eyeshadow palette a lot. Unfortunately, however, I can't show it to you now because, will I say, I lost mine sometime last year or it was stolen, so I don't have it now, but I intend to repurchase it. Hopefully that'll be my Easter gift to myself. The Flaming Love palette, I'll have a picture up somewhere on screen. It has 8 shadows in it, like very huge pans. Makeup Addiction palette has 8 shadows in it. It has a purple. It has the best transition and crease colors I've ever used, like on my skin tone though. It has a gold and some other colors. It's really, really nice, and hopefully I get to repurchase it soon. Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, they ship here to Nigeria. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's a Nigerian owned brand. So the Flaming Love palette from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics is another palette I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. That's the fifth eyeshadow palette. The sixth eyeshadow palette I have here is the BALM Meet Matte Nude eyeshadow palette. This is an all matte palette. Mine as usual it has been beaten and destroyed. It's a neutral palette. I use this when I want to go for like an everyday neutral soft everyday makeup look. You can tell these are my favorite. These four right here, this three, and then this one here, these are my favorite colors. This I normally use for transition colors. This to set my brow bone. This for my crease color. This brown, oh, it's chocolate brown, it's so beautiful. And then, you know, at times I use this the matte thing, matte rosin at times, even the matte Lombardy. I use them at times for, you know, my lid color and all of that. This palette is really, you know, I have hit pan on this one, so I intend to purchase a backup of this palette. I don't even want to be without it for a minute. I intend to purchase a backup of this palette. It's really, it's a matte eyeshadow palette, but funny enough, it's so pigmented. It's very difficult to explain, and it's not chalky, it's not, it's like butter, it's buttery, and it's really pigmented for an all matte eyeshadow palette. So the sixth eyeshadow palette, the BALM Meet Matte Nude. The other Meet Mattes, I think they have Meet Matrimony and all of that. The other ones, I got one other one the other day, but I didn't really like it, so I gave it out. But this Meet Matte Nude eyeshadow palette, it's like the bomb. It's really nice. Again, of course, all the eyeshadows I'm going to mention here are all really nice. The seventh eyeshadow palette I have, this eyeshadow palette is so old. I don't even know where to start from. The Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I have, see, it's even it's even tired. This eyeshadow palette, I have used it and used it and used it. It's not showing signs of usage, excessive usage. I think I've hit pan on this and this as well. This Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette is, like I said, it's a cheap eyeshadow palette, but it performs just as well as some of the other eyeshadows I have right here. It's really very pigmented. Of course, it applies. This brown right here used to be my holy grail brown. This green, and then this color as well at the top right hand part. I used to love this gold too, but it's a little bit dark, but like a dark gold. But I used to love it. The pink. The only one that I didn't really get to use was this, but at the point I started using it. It's like the brow bone highlights, but I started using it. This palette is really beautiful, very pigmented as well. The Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. Oh, don't quit on me. The 8th eyeshadow palette I have right here, also from Wet n Wild. The blue had me at hello. Ooh, this is like the color eyeshadow palette. I got this one, the neutral, like normal, you know, but I'm not really a colorful eyeshadow girl kind of person, you know. I always just love my neutrals, my warm tone, maybe cool tone at times palettes, eyeshadow palettes, but I always love the neutral tones in general. But there are times when I just have that thing in me for like a week. It will just be color, the greens, the blues, the purples and all of that. This is a very colorful eyeshadow palette. I love dark shades of blue like this, you know, and this palette is very pigmented, and I would highly recommend you get it. The 9th eyeshadow we're going to be talking about today is from a Nigerian brand, HEGAI and ESTHER. This is the HEGAI and ESTHER Bed Neutrals eyeshadow palette in the shade Trinity. It has all the shadows I love. Like, look at it. It has like this gold, this yellow gold. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And these other colors are like very neutral colors, and the shadows are very pigmented, little to no fallout. Although this pink does have a little bit more fallout, but these are like my everyday these are like the shadows you always catch me with. They are again very pigmented, they apply very well, they go on smoothly, you know. So this is the HEGAI and ESTHER eyeshadow palette in the shade Trinity. I would highly recommend this one as well. The very last eyeshadow palette we'll be talking about today is also from the brand HEGAI and ESTHER, and it's the HEGAI and ESTHER Bed Neutrals eyeshadow palette in Magdalene. Again, like just the kind of shades or tones of shadows I go for: neutral. This pink is like one of my best. You either catch me on something like this or any of the golds here, the black and the golds. They're all like different shades of gold. This eyeshadow palette in Magdalene is just like the other palettes, very pigmented, applies beautifully on the lid with or without primer, although I'll advise you to go with a primer definitely. It picks up well, little to no fallout. So that's it for the Magdalene eyeshadow palette from HEGAI and ESTHER. That's the 10th eyeshadow palette. I want to really thank you guys so much for watching. I don't take you for granted. I don't. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye guys.